Yes, I know I'm in Connecticut, but there's a good reason. Even though I did promise to never, ever, ever come here again, I have to come through Connecticut because I'm coming from New Hampshire and I'm going to New York City. And Connecticut is kind of in the way. I'm sorry, I didn't create these things. It just happened to be like this. So let's just suffer through this video. I'm sorry. Sorry for the inconvenience.
All right, Cecil. Once again, I did not do my side work.
Oh!
The best candy.
That could have been bad.
Reese cups. Incorrect. Angles are stupid, nerd. Nobody cares about angles, asshole. Keith, can you reach an angle off the top shelf for me?
Nope.
The explosion reportedly took place in the late.
They run those trucks to anybody.
1626.
And also the truck behind it too.
Yes, pigeon, partridge, quail, guinea fowl, rabbit, chicken, duck, pheasant, turkey, goose, emu,
Nice cut off.
pig, sheep, keep going, keep sandwich. That's right. You take 2 pieces of bread and put between them a piece of buttered, heavily buttered toast. That's it.
Extra regret.
That's the sandwich, guys. I just told you.
There have only been big, huge signs that say that this exit's exit only, and it goes to Route 15. I know it's been about 5 years since I lived here, but I remember this shit. Actually, it was 4 years ago when I moved from here. Whatever. I waited way too long to move away.
Warning to the rest of the cast: if Cecil lists a place fancy enough, I will make Noah go there with me. So
for the last time, I am employed. Also, Cecil.
Nope. And that's not the first construction thing that tells you to merge left, because, like, come on. You gotta stay to the left. Yeah, Connecticuters are stupid. They've always been stupid. Why do people live here? Right lane closed. Wow, you're like not getting the point. Yeah, you're exiting anyway, but you could have dived from the center lane and not be in the video. I wouldn't have faulted them for that. Jeez, I do have standards.
Okay, Bruce, that's all of Bruce. Sure,
I just figured it out. I read this.
Red light run, Lexus, and Ford.
Presumably so that her fear and revulsion would eclipse her terrible grief. Hey, Abby, your cousin who paints in his own blood took it upon himself to...
Extra regret. Yeah, if there's only been, like, signs for the last, I don't know, 2 miles saying that the left lane exits for north on 95, I don't know how you did not see them.
By comparison, Eli, the taxidermist would...
another extra regret. Kia.
It would skin it.
If we were in Rochester, I would say it's stolen.
Entirely.
In fact, it still probably is.
Not going to be achieved by simply piling a bunch of rags into a fur set. You sound like my doctor.
Nope, way up there. Wait until the thing ends. Then merge over.
Skeletal structure. And honestly, his results were extraordinary.
Okay, so I don't want to downplay the importance of Carl's innovations here, but he revolutionized the industry by realizing that animals had bones. It must have been so much easier back then to do shit.
Extra regret. Again, a nice cutoff.
Crunchier. You know, it just used to be crunchier.
Connecticut's.
Very American.
All right, well, red flags. The guy is about to go.
Really, dude? You're psycho.
Welcome to Citation Needed, the podcast where we choose a subject, read a single article about it on Wikipedia, and pretend we're experts because this is the internet, and that's how it works now. I have no illusions, and I'm going to be masterminding this episode, but to do it right, I'm going to need a few co-conspirators. First up, two masters who minded me saying I'd be the mastermind, Heath and Cecil.
Okay, I am the bachelor.
What the fuck?
Domain. That's official.
Like, did you not see, like, a big line of cars that was visible for the last, I don't know, 5,500 feet or whatever?
Penalty. So now he has a life sentence in prison. And that gave us all a chance to find out the real story, which, according to multiple failed attempts at an appeal, is still that he definitely did. But checks out. According to Sirhan and the highly reputable Robert F. Kennedy Jr.
Yeah, where'd that guy come from? He wasn't behind me for that long.
It's worth mentioning that on November 22nd,
Also, according to the cops, the iguana was armed, drew first, and their body cam malfunctioned. There's right.
No trailers in the left lane. No. I'm not going to sing the song because I'm going to sing it later in the video. Even though I recorded that bit about a month ago. I got to stop coming back to Connecticut. I really do.
and they're cooked in lard, as hot fries should be. The patrons can order unfiltered cigarettes, I guess, and the kids can get candy cigarettes. Now here's what they have. The octuple bypass burger here has 8,000 calories and is 32 ounces of meat, and that's a little under a kilo for you overseas folks. Yeah, that's a little under a kilo.
You got to be in the video, hopefully. No trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot be there. And we're in Connecticut. I'm sorry about the confusion and inconvenience. I know I keep promising I'll never come back here again, which I promise this time I won't, because who the fuck wants to be in Connecticut? No, you cannot be there. And I used to drive a truck that size when I lived here, so I know for a fact that's not allowed in the left lane here. No, you cannot be there. Oh, well, sucks to be you get to be in the video, and you were tailgating the fuck out of me, too. You're driving like an asshole. Stop it! Well, this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! If it is its own video. I don't know. Alright, bye.